guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an extreme hair growth treatment using onions. The onions are very effective and powerful to grow your hair thicker, to stop hair fall, and to stop baldness. So if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So here I have 4 small onions that I will be using to make the treatment. You just need a few onions. You can use 2 onions or you can use 4 like me. I'm using 4 because my onions are small. So first I will remove the peels, and then after that I will go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. Onion is highly effective because it contains sulfur, which helps to support strong and thick hair as well as increasing blood circulation to the scalp. Sulfur in onion also helps to promote collagen production. An increased blood circulation in the scalp means that better nutrients are delivered to the hair follicles for growth of healthy hair. Onion also contains antifungal and antibacterial properties, which helps to cleanse the scalp and prevent dandruff and flakes. Guys, if you've never used onions, you need to start using them because your hair will grow like crazy after using. If you experience excessive hair fall, you have alopecia, you have hair thinning, receding hairline, flaky scalp, dandruff, then onion is going to eliminate all those problems. Onion juice is very effective. Study shows that onions can have the ability to reverse baldness and hair thinning. So make this onion juice and try it, and you will be amazed with the result. So once I'm done cutting the onions, right now I'm going to transfer them to a blender. I'm also going to be adding the peels. I did not throw them away. So do not throw away your onion peels after using because they are beneficial for the hair. So I'm going to transfer them to the onions and I will blend them together. I will be adding some water. The importance of adding water is to help with the blending process and to also dilute the onions, because remember the onions are very powerful and potent, so it is important to add some water. So now it's done blending and this is how it's looking. I'm going to be straining out the onion juice and I will be using a piece of cloth to strain out. You can also use a strainer. I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. After straining out, this is how the onion juice is looking like. The color is looking amazing. That's because we blend the onions and the peels together, which gave it this amazing color. So right now I'm gonna transfer to this jug here so I can be able to transfer to an applicator bottle. Today I don't have a funnel, so that's why I transferred to this jug first so I can transfer to the bottle easily. Once I'm done transferring the treatment to the applicator bottle, I'm gonna cover it and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the treatment on my hair. Just keep watching and enjoy the video. I always like to apply any treatment when my hair is not twisted, and so I'm unraveling the first twist and then I'm applying the onion juice directly on my scalp, and then I move to the roots and saturate it to every single hair strand. This treatment is for both scalp and hair, so you need to concentrate on your scalp and also to the hair strands. Once you apply, make sure to supply the treatment using your fingers. I always like to finger detangle my hair every time I'm doing an application. Once I apply, I use my fingers to finger detangle and to carefully distribute it towards to each hair strand. I also like to twist my hair back after I do the application, and once I'm done with one section, that way my hair is not going to shrink. Guys, my hair shrinks a lot, so that's why I always like to twist my hair back after I'm done with application. Onion juice works like magic. That's why when you are applying it, you need to concentrate on your scalp, and most importantly, you need to take time to massage it so that it can penetrate deeply to the scalp. This treatment is not a joke. You need to apply it. It is going to increase hair thickness. If you've been struggling with excessive hair loss, you have baldness or bald spots, you have hair thinning, then you need to start using onion juice. It is very effective. You will see changes after a short period of time if you use this consistently. You can use it like 2 times a week or depending on how long you wash your hair, because you are not going to leave it on your hair because of the onion smell, and it can also dry your hair. So when you apply it, you need to wash it out. Do not leave the onion juice on your hair because it's gonna dry out your hair and your hair can dry out. So use it as a rinse out. When you apply it, you need to leave it on your hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. All you need is to cover your hair with a plastic bag and wait, and then go ahead and rinse it off with your favorite shampoo or conditioner. So once I'm done applying to all sections of my hair, I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it off after 30 minutes. We are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Join the family and also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Bye, see you in the next.